Do you know who Zhina Amini is? Yes. She is the woman who paid with her life for being free. However, everybody here has called her Masha, ignoring her Kurdish identity. Women in Iran are showing us how to fight for freedom. Sadly, this struggle has also become the perfect platform to show moral superiority without any real action. This is why nobody mentions that Amini was a Kurdish, or that the most brutal repression in this crisis is happening in Kurdistan. These links remain hidden because they exposed uncomfortable contradictions, like defending Kurdistan is difficult if one wants to be friends with Turkey, or that being what is being done to protect women in our countries that are forced by their communities to wear religious garments is basically nothing. We call this religious freedom, knowing that religion or freedom has nothing to do with it. The struggle of women in Iran is the new frontier of human rights, of women's rights, and we must rise above hypocrisy to support them with facts. Thank you.